Uhulumende olubanjiswano wabunja kutawuketulwa e-ANC kulo masipala kulolu khetho lolengcili lwabo masipala kunyalo i-EFF isebenzela ukuthi labo labasolwa ngekhohlakalo leba baphethe lo masipala phambilini bajeze isola i-ANC ngokungahambi kahle kwetimali nekungathulwa kahle kwetinsita lokususa luthulu ngolomklamo wagezi sodolopho we-EFF Lenado Makena uthi wabhadala tigidzi lebekumele awakhe lo mklamo.
These people They want to block what is currently happening in the municipality, the forensic investigation. Because if you look at a forensic investigation, if you look in this municipality, especially in terms of when it comes to corruption, you have a network of people who were the center of this thing.
Kusebenza i-Freedom Front Plus, e-EFF ne-Tindzaba Community Movement kulo masipala. Nale Freedom Front Plus ne-Tindzaba Community Movement isola ANC ngalo monakalo.
We're fighting for the position of the mayor seat. And that is a problem. The service delivery is far back.
I-ANC yatiphika letinsolo kepha yalamukela luphenyo.
Those are mere allegations, and it's some of the attacks on that or for the cases being laid are made out of personal matters.
Sinye sakhamuti lesijabhile sithile ngekhohlakalo leka masipala yendela takhamuti phasi.
Ingxaki simjongene nazo apha eStabC into yokuba kukho inkunkuma kwilokishi yonke and akho misebenzi abantwana abancinci especially the youth abanamisebenzi bakhalaza ngelimisebenzi.
Naloku kusete loshintsho loliphathekako letinye takhamuti tithi i-EFF sengaletha imithelelo lemihle kuleli dolobha.